And new at 5, it's news that no one wants to hear on payday. Thousands of state workers are finding out they're not getting paid. Good evening, everyone. A late state budget is delaying those paychecks.
We've been taking calls and emails from state workers who want to know where their money is. News 4's George Rickard is working to get answers. George?
Well, we've learned 94,000 state workers are being told it should be cleared up tomorrow, but for some, it's already screwing up their checking accounts. Now, the Office of State Comptroller's Office tells News 4 that because the state legislature did not pass the budget by the close of business yesterday, it prompted a slight delay for those on the institutional pay cycle. That includes those who work for SUNY schools, the Department of Corrections, and mental health, for example. Although those checks are not dated until tomorrow, many workers have been accustomed to them showing up in direct deposit at 11 a.m. the day before. So many workers, like Kara Reville, depend on that and pay their bills automatically every other Wednesday.
Today, when my credit cards go through and send in the payments, if the money is not in my checking account, I'm going to have to pay late fees at my bank, and then I'm going to have to repay my payments for my credit cards. Right now, my checking account is negative $80, and I had to transfer money from one of my kids' accounts to cover, the negative balance.
Now, the state comptroller's office wants to make it clear that the paychecks aren't really late. They will be there tomorrow, which is when they're dated for, but people became accustomed to seeing them in direct deposit a day early.